When it needed it, the train pulled America together, healing a nation torn apart by civil war, bringing this emerging nation bold ideas and bold people. Game Train, where the past meets the future. One big country, one big train, one big dream. 300 game developers pushing the boundaries of time and imagination. Game Train, getting on a train in Chicago and traveling to San Francisco in pursuit of game development excellence. Pushing themselves, pushing their team, and pushing the limit. Game Train, a journey of creativity, of collaboration, and self-discovery. Game Train, how the West was fun. Coming soon to Go Pixels.